This isn't about early mornings, it's about late night magic, and that's what Main Street Mischief is all about. Today, I am on a mission. I just left work. I have a couple hours to spend in the park. I want to see if there's any merch that's dropped while I was on vacation. I also need a little bit of tradition in my life. Tradition can mean a lot of things at Disneyland. Today, it's the Mickey Pretzel and the Churro. Let's go. Now, since I only have a couple of hours at Disneyland, I've chosen to park at the Downtown Disney Simba parking lot. Let me give you a little bit of insight of how this situation works and a couple of tips of what to do. The first hour is $10. It's pretty hefty after that if you don't get a validation. So, two ways to get a validation. One, buy merch for at least $20. I can get that validation for 3 hours. That's an additional 3 hours to the one, so that's 4 hours total. Or eat in Downtown Disney. That's 5 additional hours, so 6 total for $10. It must be at Downtown Disney. It cannot be at any of the hotels. This is the way to do it if you're going on a quick date night or you just need to pick up some treats like I'm doing. That's a tip for the parking situation. If you don't want to buy merch and you just want to go into the park, buy a gift card, a Disney gift card, $20. Then use the 10 for the treats you're going to buy. World of Disney sells them, but the line is always long, so I buy my gift card here at Pin Traders. Then I get on the monorail right there and I go into the park. Pin Trader also has ears, and sometimes they have things that I have not seen in the park, like this beauty, Cruella. I see you. Adorable. $20 Disney gift card, secured. I'm waiting for the monorail, and then I'm gonna go and get into some late night mischief. First up, the Mickey Pretzel. For me, I always get my Mickey shaped pretzel by Big Thunder. I love it at night, it's lit up, it's gorgeous, and this is the best place that I find for a pretzel. I love this Halloween tree. I'm enjoying a little quiet time. Most people are waiting for fireworks and the show. Not me. People watching, I've eaten both ears off my Mickey. I'm enjoying some fake cheese. What better way to spend a night? A little tip. If the churro line is long, it's good because they're hot, they're fresh, and they're pumping those out. I suggest waiting in line. Churro secured. Oh my god. You can't go wrong. The best part is that little simple bit of cinnamon. I just love it. Final thoughts on some traditional Disney snacks. I've got one more morsel left. Yes, they might be a little overrated and they might be a little expensive, but they're tradition, they're nostalgic, and they give you all of the feels that you want as an adult, bringing you back to childhood. I know for me, I may not indulge in them every day or every month, but when I feel like I want one, I'm going for it, and that's just what I did. So as I was leaving the park, a wonderful cast member named Donnie said, "Do you want a picture with Minnie?" And I said, "Absolutely." So he whisked us in to the back of this Mad Hatter shop, and she was hiding back there for a picture. Magical. As I walked to my car in the Simba lot, I wanted to point out to you these Baublebar ears. They have my name on them. I customized them. I've had at least 20 people tell me how much they love my ears. So I want to give you the information at Baublebar.com. I think they have them in a pink color as well. I love a little customization, as you can see. Your name at Disney is everything. Walt did his name everywhere as well. So why not you? We don't rope drop, but we stay late, and that's what Main Street Mischief is all about. I'm done for the evening. Follow us at mainstreetmischief.com for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time. She's so pretty.